Hello everyone, this is Melanie at Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today I'm going to take a brief look at the exclusive paint by number kit from artist Petunova that At carries with an exclusive license from the artist herself. Now this is one of the kits that I chose to put in my exclusive collection with At because it is fabulous. You guys have seen from the collection I chose that I am obsessed with her artwork, and a lot of people are concerned because her artwork is watercolor that it will not translate well to a paint by number. And you guys, it really does look beautiful as a finished piece in a paint by number. And very soon I will be bringing you some videos on how to make it look more watercolory, and that is my own word, in the finished paint by number piece. It's almost going to be similar to what you've seen me do in the cardinal painting that I did for my Mother's Day challenge. So let's talk about the kit itself of the blue door and the paints and what is included in this particular kit and how the paint swatched and all of that. Now the first thing you're going to notice is that they have tinted canvases, which is just a nice way for reference when you're painting to find the cells that you're looking for. Their canvases are a thinner material with a linen type of cotton backing, which means that they are beautiful to stretch. They don't hurt your hands because you're not having to really tug and pull when you're using the stretching method I've shown to frame it yourself on a canvas stretcher bar. You're also able to easily tape mount and dry mount your canvas yourself, as I've also shown in lots of my videos on my YouTube channel. So be sure to go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those kinds of videos in the future. Now let's talk about what else comes in the kit. You're always going to receive a reference guide, which is just a black and white copy of the painting itself. This is your reference for if you have trouble seeing maybe a number, or you've painted a cell and you're not sure what color you put down. This is your way of going back and determining what that number was. It's always handy to have one of these on standby. Now let's talk about my favorite part of every paint by number kit, and that is the paint. I will point out that when I originally purchased this kit, it was about 9 or 10 months ago, and the paint kit portion looked a little different than it does now. Originally they came in foam trays, now they come in a plastic tray. I sell the foam trays at my website, so be sure to check that out at melaniegilstrap.com. They also now have numbers on them, so you don't have to number them yourself like I did here. You'll notice that you're going to receive extra paint for any of the colors that you need more of. So in this situation, we're going to have a lot of white for the background. You guys, you do not have to paint your background white if you do not want to. Just simply cover up the little number 1 if you would like, and leave that background as it is, if that's what you would prefer to do. Nobody is going to make you do anything to your painting that you don't want to do. Let's take a look at this beautiful palette. Can you say rainbow goodness? Now, I'm not going to say this isn't yummy deliciousness, because we all know that it really is yummy deliciousness, but it is also rainbow goodness. So we're getting the best of both worlds here in this palette. So you know why I chose it. Okay, but let's talk about the opacity of the paints. One thing I haven't mentioned in the prior mini videos that I've done about the exclusive kits is that the paint quality is amazing for At kits. They're creamy and dreamy, and texture and consistency is wonderful. But the opacity is incredible also. Now, I want to mention that this kit is from 10 months ago. And the opacity could have even improved since then. So what I'm going to be looking at is an older test. So anything from here could be even better than what it was in this watch. The only thing I see on this watch that isn't opaque is number 19, which was barely semi-opaque, and number 23, which is this booger here, which is that super bright yellow, and it is transparent. So what I suggest on a number 23, if this painting comes in still and has any trouble at all with that number 23, you could add white directly to this paint pot. Mix it up. It will tone this color down to make it more cohesive with this palette so that it is not so bright that it takes over the palette itself. And it will make that more opaque and give it better coverage. Your other option would be to watch my 3 Shades of Grey video and see how to prime for that color before putting it down, which would give it better coverage to begin with. So that is my recommendation for this. Every other color, the other 22 colors, look great. And that is all for this beautiful exclusive kit in my collection at Aanabanana.com. So I hope you guys will go check it out. Don't forget that when you check out at Aanabanana.com, even if you have more than just my exclusive kits in your cart, you can use my special promo code Melanie and save 5% off your entire purchase if you aren't already using another coupon. Now, obviously, if they have another coupon that is a better deal, by all means, use it. If they don't, use my coupon and I make a little commission off that coupon, and I always appreciate that. In addition, I do make a commission off the kits you purchase from my exclusive collection, so I definitely appreciate that. I hope you love the kits I have chosen. I will be adding new ones every month, and I hope you'll continue to come back and see what I have to offer. And I hope you love this kit from Anna Petunova, Aanabanana, and Melanie B's Creative Studio. Thank you for watching, and I will see you back soon.